my dear students. I, Miss Shivlila Vibhute, welcome you to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. So children, today we are going to start with our grammar subject. So all of you take your grammar textbooks and be with your lesson number 22. Is, am, are with ing form of doing words. Lesson number 22. Is, are, am with ing form of doing words. As I taught you previously, doing words are what? Action words, okay? And the use of is, are, am. Here we are going to learn that with ing form. Now what is this ing form, children? Ing form means continuous. Now what we are doing? For example, now what I am doing? I am teaching. See here. Teach. This is an doing word, okay? But now, presently what continuous tense, what I am doing, that is teaching. And now what are you all doing? Yes, you are listening to me, right? Right? You are listening to me. This is what you are doing at present. Okay? So now we are going to learn ing form of doing words. In the same way, we can have many examples. For example, write. Children, write. But now, if you want to say that at present what you are doing, then you have to write here, I am writing. Okay? Read. Reading. Correct? So this ing shows continuous action done, that present action done by you. Okay? Now the use of is, are and am. Children, you have learned previously only that is, are and am. This am, always am, is used with which sentences? Yes, all of you are right. I am playing. Single person, I alone. Okay? Now for you, when I am speaking about you, then what will you say? You are reading. Okay? Now comes we, including me, we. Yes, here also same thing. We are playing. Whichever action you have to put here ing because it's continuous tense. Okay? Now, next one. When I am speaking about some other person, third person, he or she, yes, here, at that time, yes, when we are speaking about he or she, we write, he is playing. She is reading. These all are action words now, children. Playing, reading, dancing. Okay? So here, write, writing, read, reading. Am. Where do we use am? Yes. When I speak about myself, okay, alone. I am playing, I am reading, I am eating, I am drinking. These all are action words. Now when I talk about you, you are reading, we are playing, he is playing, she is playing. Okay? Now comes they, as you have learned. They always, yes, many are there. So they are playing. Okay, children? Now, we will go to textbook. All of you open your textbook, lesson number 22, page number 57. So children, now I will explain you the lesson once again. Just be careful. Read the sentences given below. The first sentence, children. I am reading a book. Speaking about I, we are using here am. So you have to remember the use of am, are, is again. Okay? And with ing form now presently what I am doing. So I am reading a book. Second sentence, you are reading a comic. You are reading a comic. Now speaking about others, she is reading a poem. She is reading a poem. Now fourth one, they are reading books. Many are there. For many we use are. Now look at the box given here. It shows the correct use of is, are, am with ing form of a doing word, of a action word or a doing word. Now let's go to this table, children. Here, I, we, you, they, the girl or the boy, he, she, and name of a person means Meena. Okay? So now here, I am sitting in the park. I am sitting in the park. But when it comes to we, many are there. We are sitting in the park. So you have to repeat these sentences after me, children. Okay? So all of you will repeat after me. I am sitting in the park. We are sitting in the park. You are sitting in the park. They are sitting in the park. Now we'll go to here, the girl. The girl, only one girl. Okay, children? So the girl is sitting in the park. He is sitting in the park. Only one person, he, talking about only he. He is sitting in the park. She is sitting in the park. Meena is sitting in the park. Okay, children? So children, now we start with the exercise. Okay? So children, now all of you will look at this exercise A. Okay? Look at the picture given here. Okay? Just you go through your textbook, children. As I am going to write down that sentence, so I don't have on my board. So just you go through your textbook. And and read it. A. Exercise A. Look at the pictures given here. Use words from the box to form the ing form of doing words. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. I hope you got it, children. It's not on the board actually. You have to refer your textbook for this. I am going to write these sentences on the board, children. Okay? Now see, children, in the box, we have some action or doing words. Yes? So all of you will read out those words now. The first one is H-O-L-D, hold. Second, L-O-O-K, look. D-R-I-N-K, drink. S-T-A-N-D, stand. P-A-C-K, pack. R-E-A-D, read. P-L-A-Y, play. R-O-W, row. P-L-O-U-G-H, plow. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay, children? Now, we have to fill in these blanks using these suitable words, but we have to form ing. We have to add ing with those words. Okay, children? So the first one is mother is dash tea. Pooja and Diya are dash badminton. Now children, in your textbook you can see some action, some pictures shown at the side. See here. Now mother is dash tea. You have to find out those action words given on that blank, and now you have to fill in these blanks, okay? So just you see, hold, look, drink, stand, pack, read, play, row, plow, play. Okay? So now mother, the first sentence is mother is dash tea. So what do we, so tea is always, yes, we drink tea, no, children? Yes. So mother is, now the drink word is given there. So we have to form ing word, right? So yes, drinking. All of you will write with neat and tidy handwriting and fill in the blank in your textbook. Mother is drinking. D-R-I-N-K-I-N-G. Drinking tea. Pooja and Diya are dash badminton. So it's a name of a game. So you have to find out the exact word. So Pooja and Diya are, see, you can see the picture also at the side given in your textbook. Refer your textbook, children. What are they doing? Yes, they are playing, children. They are playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Yes, children, you have to copy those blanks properly in your textbook, neatly, in good handwriting, children. And you have to read those sentences again. Okay? So the first sentence, mother is drinking tea. Second sentence, Pooja and Diya are playing badminton. Now you have to turn the page, children. Yes, I have these pictures now. The third sentence. See, for reference, you can refer these pictures shown here. Okay? The fisherman is dash the boat. Now, children, you have to turn back the page and search for the word. Okay? So, the words are as usual: hold, look, drink, stand, pack, read, play, row, plow, and play. So, you have to search the exact word from that box. So, the boat, the fisherman is dash the boat. You can see here the action done by him. What is he doing? Yes, he is rowing, right? So, you have to write properly rowing. Ready? The fisherman is rowing the boat. Fourth sentence. Hari is dash the drum. See, here is Hari. What is he doing? Yes, now you have to search the word from that block. Right? So, Hari is, yes, all of you try, children. Hari is playing, P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing the drum. It's an instrument, no, children? So, he is playing the drum. Fifth sentence. Vinay is dash the gift. See the picture, what action he is doing. And you have to search that word from that box, children. So you have to turn for that page. Yes, so here we have that word. Have you searched? Have you tried at least, children? What is he doing? Which action he is doing? Yes, Vinay is packing. Packing the gift. Uncle John is dash out of the car window. Yes, you have the picture here. He is Uncle John, right? And this is his car. So what is he doing? Which action he is doing? He has put his hands out, right? But Uncle John is dash out of the car window. So you search that word from the box, children. Which word is suitable for that sentence? Yes, all of you are right. Look. Okay. So we have to put ing form. So looking. L-O-O-K-I-N-G. Looking. Write neatly in your textbook, children. Fill in the blank properly. Yes. The fisherman is rowing the boat. You have to repeat this sentence after me, children. The fisherman is rowing the boat. Hari is playing the drum. Vinay is packing the gift. Uncle John is looking out of the car window. Yes, children, now seventh sentence. Parul is dash in a line. Parul is dash in a line. Now here you can see some children. Okay? So you can see that action there. What are they doing? We have to search from that box, children. They are standing, right? So Parul is a girl, Parul is standing in a line. The farmer is dash the field. Okay, in the field, what does the farmer do? What is he doing? Look at this picture here. What is he doing? Yes, all of you are right. You have to search that word from that box. So he is plowing. P-L-O-U-G-H-I-N-G, plowing. The field. You have to copy the spelling properly, children, in your textbook. Ninth one. Father is dash a newspaper. You can see what is he doing. It's very easy, children. The newspaper is in his hand. What is he doing? Which action he is doing? Yes, he is reading, children. So, father is reading a newspaper. Grandpa is dash the baby in his arms. So you have to search for that word and you can look at that picture. See, he is the grandfather. What is he doing? Where is that child sitting? Yes. So you can go back to that box and search for that exact word, children. So grandpa is holding, right? Holding the baby in his arms. Yes, children, now you have to repeat after me these sentences. Parul is standing in a line. The farmer is plowing the field. Father is reading a newspaper. Grandpa is holding the baby in his arms. Yes, children, now you go to your first page. Yes, I want this page, lesson number 22 again. Yes, so as you have seen in that exercise, children, the use of the form of ing with action words. So here again, I am sitting in the park, we are sitting in the park, you are sitting in the park, they are sitting in the park. Now the girl or boy, the girl is sitting in the park, he, she, Meena is sitting in the park. Okay, children? So in the same way, when two persons are there, for example, Meena and Riya, when more than one person, two persons come, we have to use their are, right? So we have seen in this exercise how to use is, am, are, and ing form of the action words. Okay, children? So yes, children, I hope you have enjoyed the lesson and you have understood the lesson. So next session, we are going to study about some words end in E. For example, love, care, share, right? So we are going to learn how to add ing to these words, okay? And even how to add ing for some words ending with consonants, okay, children? So now, for today we will stop here, and for next session we will complete our exercise B. Okay, children? Thank you.